Today we're going to dive deep into the mysteries of this culinary staple that, though simple it may appear, has caused the countless ruin of souls in breakfast kitchens around the globe. And I'm here to make things right in just 3 short minutes. Today's recipe: the world's best scrambled eggs. It's not as much the ingredients as it is the technique that makes the perfect scramble. Sure, all roads begin by cracking eggs into a bowl, and whether you add salt, pepper, or milk at this point is a matter of personal preference. Here, I'm using 2 tablespoons heavy cream for 4 eggs. And then we're going to mix. A whisk, a hand blender, egg beaters, all will get the job done. Me, I find a fork works nicely. And temperature is key. I find medium-low cooks them just quick enough without burning. I'm using 2 tablespoons of butter for these 4 eggs, but that should be the minimum. More might even be better. Make sure you get that butter all around inside that pan. That way nothing sticks. When the butter starts to froth, then it's time to pour in the eggs. Now watch closely, because this is where the magic happens. Think of the eggs as a lover you're trying to seduce. Don't rush. Give the eggs time to congeal on the bottom and then give them a gentle push with your spatula. Rotate the pan carefully and then push. Keep doing this over and over, and adjust the position of your spatula if necessary to get full contact with the bottom. The eggs will appreciate the extra effort. That's right. Now and then, turn them over so you can work on the other side, always making sure not to let them overcook. Repetition is key. Long, slow strokes. And before you know it, you're getting close to finishing. I like to leave them a little runny inside. That's another trick to the perfect scramble, because when you remove them from the heat, they're still going to cook slightly. You might be thinking, I don't know if I have the patience for this. Well, let me ask, do you like your eggs dry and hard? Or would you like to make soft and seductively creamy eggs that will leave you weak in the knees for hours after eating them? Like everything in life, the love you show will come back tenfold. So don't be a lazy lover, or chef, I mean. The eggs are finished when they're still slightly creamy inside, but the folds hold together nicely. That's when it's time to plate up. Now is when you would add some shredded cheese to the top, or some freshly cracked black pepper like we're doing here. To that age-old question, what came first, the chicken or the egg? I couldn't tell you. What I do know is, I can't wait to eat this with some crispy bacon and after, maybe a nice long nap. Thanks for watching.